if you'll remember here, there's a slight difference between map and filter. With map up here, we just iterated over each item in the array and we returned some modified form of it or something different that kind of worked off of what we were iterating over. Filter is a very different method. Sure, its syntax might look the same, but it also works on a conditional. So the thing with filter is that your return statement, whether explicit or implicit, must be a conditional. Remember, what filter does is it iterates over each item in the array and it checks to see if each item meets the conditional you provide in that return. If it does, it'll make it a part of the new array that that call to the filter method will end up giving back. However, if the element does not meet the conditional you provide in the return statement, it will exclude it from the new array. So my challenge to you here is to take your knowledge from last week and given what I've just provided you, and I want you to give me an array of the artists above where their first name begins with J. So again, I want you to iterate through your array using a call to filter, call vid on names array. And you'll have to excuse those key binding statements there. Then what I want you to do is to only return first names beginning with J. So let me clarify that a bit. Only return artists' names whose first names begin with J. So only return the artist names, the full artist names, whose first names begin with J. Store this result in a new array. And all right, given that challenge, go for it. I bet you've got this, and if you get lost, don't be afraid to take a look at what we did last week in class in our practice.